So, ito na ba yung part na dapat ako magsayaw? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, mag-arclea na lang kayo ng magsasayaw eh. Mag-message na lang kayo la Arnie. Ay, Chappy, miss you na. Ang bilis ng panahon. 5 years na tayong magkakilala. Going 6 years. Kakaroon na tayo ng 3rd anniversary bilang mag-boyfriend-girlfriend. During 5 years na to, we have a lot of sweet memories. Not so good memories. Pero I know we've learned so much from each other. Minsan alam ko parang gusto mo lang sakaling. Pero I know mas matimbang yung time na mas gusto natin mag-hug at i-kiss yung isa't isa. Finally, kakasal na rin tayo, yung dream wedding natin. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat. Sa lahat ng hugs and kisses as if parang nag-date pa rin tayo. Thank you for appreciating me. Thank you for all the help. Thank you for playing games with me. Thank you sa hug, sa pagtulog. And especially thank you for letting me in your life. And finally, more than anything in this world, I want you to know that I want to spend my life with you. I love you.